Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to buy Instacart gift card. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So in order to buy Instacart gift card, what you need to do is head over to your browser and then on the search bar simply type in Instacart gift card. Now once you hit search, a bunch of sites will load having the Instacart gift card options. So all you gotta do is simply select one, and once you select one here, you'll be able to see Instacart gift card information. Now all you gotta do is scroll down. In order to purchase it, all you gotta do is tap on the sign in to see the price, and now once you're inside there, what you need to do is log into your account. Now once you are logged in, you'll be able to see the price of the gift card, and then all you gotta do is simply follow the on-screen instructions to successfully pay for the gift card. Now once you have paid for the gift card, head back to your home screen, then open up your Instacart app. Now once you are here, tap on your profile icon, and once you're inside here on the settings, you'll find the option that says credits, promos and gift cards. Tap on that. Inside here, all you gotta do is simply tap in add promo or gift card, and then enter in the gift card code to successfully redeem it by simply tapping on redeem. So that's basically how you can do it, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.